Don't you worry. This is a message to all the pass outs of matriculation and intermediates. I mean, every board, if you speak CBSE, ICSE, class 10th and 12th, you all, this message is for you all, and who are in a global thinking, in a global thought that you cannot do anything, and that's how I take it for you. So this message is all for you guys. Please do have a listen. The thing is, I was a very under average student. I remember my first kind of the score in Sanskrit, because I took Sanskrit out of nowhere. That's how it probably is. And I took Sanskrit and I scored 3 out of 25 in one of my formative tests. And then I started tuition because I was new to Sanskrit. I didn't know anything, and I just gave the exams. Whereas every other people, those who haven't also tuitioned themselves or tutored themselves, they secured 24, 23. I secured 3. And then I was very scared that what I will say in my home and everything is new for me. Then I said, my papa said, just go to tutor and just join a tuition, and then you can secure a good percentage. And I just joined tuition, and after that, every formative test, summative tests, pre-boards and boards, I secured above 95. Means informative tests, if you take as a percentage, I secured 25 out of 25 in summative, and pre-boards I secured 99 in Sanskrit and 97 in pre-boards. So these all are a sort of achievement that I would love to imply you that you are not being alone. We are also sufferers. We have been passed out. We are the batch of 2020. We are all suffering a lot. But if you see, we are not that tensed, because it's a rumor, guys. It's nothing. 10th exam, 12th exam, it's nothing. It's a rumor. It's just like some other exams you will give in your future. And believe me, those exams are going to be harder than this. You read 10 years of subject and give a 10th exam in that particular time phase, and you read 2 years of experience. You read 2 years of studying and everything. You give +2 or 12th exam, and that's how you take it, guys. It's just like other exams. My juniors are calling me and they're saying that भाई क्या करना है यार, बहुत कम मार्क्स आए हैं. मैंने एक्सपेक्ट किया था बहुत ज़्यादा आने के लिए, बट बहुत कम मार्क्स आए हैं. कोई फ़ोन कर रहा है, यार थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गाइडिंग मी, एंड मेरे बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स आए हैं भाई, एंड आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल दैट यू आर विद मी, एंड ऐसे मेरे साथ बनाए रखना. मैं बोलता हूँ कि आपके पास अच्छा मार्क्स आए हैं या आपके पास बुरे मार्क्स आए हैं, कोई मैटर नहीं करता, क्योंकि I know that you will not listen these things now, because these marks will be important for you till graduation. After graduation, marks की कोई गारंटी नहीं होती. कोई आपको पूछेगा नहीं कि 10th में कितना मार्क्स रखे हो, कोई आपको पूछेगा नहीं कि 12th में कितना मार्क्स रखे हो. डायरेक्टली कोई पूछेगा, आपके पास ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस होगा, आपके पास एक मेंटल स्टेबिलिटी होगा आंसर्स करने के लिए, एंड दैट पीपल विल रिस्पॉन्ड टू इट. एंड नोबडी, अभी कौन, जेफ बेजोस, मार्क जकरबर्ग, सब सक्सेसफुल आदमी को देख लो, अनसक्सेसफुल आदमियों को देख लो, कौन पूछता है? Who asks them what have you scored on 10th exams, what have you scored in 12th exams? Nobody is asking, guys. You have to be self-dependent, and the thing is, your marks are independent. They are, that they are not going to change, and you have to change those things. If you are mark conscious, I would solemnly request that marks actually don't carry any values after your career, after your grad life. If you are going to companies or if you are joining any universities, experience matter. The enjoy the university life, that matters, how you gain the experience, because those life experiences is and are very important for you, and that's how you take it, guys. You don't kind of just go somewhere and learn something very new, and that's not how you substitute yourself in that particular environment. You have to have a proper idea about that. You have to have a proper experience how to meet and greet people, and that's how you are going to grow in your life. And kind of these things will be important for you, regardless of every perspective you think. Marks actually don't carry. हो गया ना, एग्जाम्स हो गए, मार्क्स आ गया ना, अभी अच्छे ही है. लाइक जिनके 70% भी आए हैं वो भी +2 करेंगे, जिनके 12th में 80% या 60% भी आए हैं वो लोग भी ग्रेड करेंगे, और दे मे डू इंजीनियरिंग और एनी अदर courses, any other study streams. That is important, guys. You have to pass on. एक चीज होता है ना, move on. That move on you have to create in your life. You have to move on in this phase. आपको बैठ के realize नहीं करना है कि मेरे ज़्यादा marks क्यों नहीं आए. Why didn't I score much more marks? I could have scored. I just read it, but I could have scored some more marks. But these all are, kind of not having a proper value in your life. Marks actually doesn't carry any value of your life. Yes, it carries to move on with the phase, but it doesn't carry in your career life. You can do anything. Like, I would love to give one example. Sejal Kumar, she's a YouTuber, fashion YouTuber and a lifestyle blogger. I know that she was a student from SRCC with a score of 97 or 98 percentile, and she scored, and she also topped 12th and 10th. She was a very good student, but she's doing YouTubing. She's pursuing her own dream, and that's how you gonna do it. You have to pursue your own dream. Stand out for yourself, your aim. It may be you have been a great student in school life, but you are a singer. It may doesn't carry any importance that you are an engineering student or a medical student and you are doing singing. That's not, singing is also a profession. If you are doing so many things, you take it as an example of late Sushant Singh Rajput, who was a IIT grad. He was an engineer and he pursued acting because he loved acting. And that's how you take it, guys. You may be a less average student, you may be a topper student, but the thing is, it matters only when you see your perspective of the life, you see your perspective of everything in the life, what I have to do, what I have not to do, and that's how you're gonna take it. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share this video as much as you can. Thank you so much. This is Kamal's Corner signing off.